Let's arrange these fresh ingredients. Washing these fresh tomatoes and peppers, just a quick rinse to get them clean. Let's add these fresh peppers and onions. Now I'll slice the rest for a perfect blend. Now, let's add the tomato paste. Stir it in smoothly. Perfect. Sprinkling in the spices evenly. This will add so much flavor. This sauce is simmering beautifully. Let's give it a gentle stir. Perfect consistency. Rinsing the rice to get rid of the extra starch. See how the water is getting clearer? Let's stir this rice into the sauce. Watch the rich red color coat every grain. Perfect. We place the foil and lid over the pot. Steam escapes briefly before sealing. This locks in all the flavor. Let's check our pot of jollof rice. That aroma. Perfectly spiced. Let's fluff this jollof rice. Gently lift and separate the grains. Perfect. So fluffy and hot. Hi everyone, look at this amazing Nigerian jollof rice plate. The rice is perfectly spiced and the chicken is so crispy.